Hi, good morning to all. We are going to study about the volume of a prism. Okay. Before going to know about the volume of a prism, we should know that what is a prism, right? So, so a prism is a three-dimensional solid object in which the two ends are precisely the same shape. These ends form the bases of the prism. A prism is named after the shape of its base. So let us look from the picture, okay? So look, this is a prism. These are some of the examples of the prism. So look, first example, look this example, that is rectangular prism, this example. So rectangular prism, what is the shape of the base here? It is rectangle, very good. So it is a three-dimensional object precisely having both ends having the same shape. Very good. So what about here? Its base is square. What about third? Its base is pentagon. What about here? It is base is hexagon. What about here? Base is triangle. Okay. So rectangle, triangle, base. Now go to the types of prism. Look, hexagon. So base is hexagon. So based upon the base we have named here. Square prism having the base of the square, rectangular prism having the base of a rectangle, and triangular prism having the base of a triangle, and pentagonal prism having the base of a pentagon. Hexagonal prism having the base of a hexagon. Very good. So now go to the real life examples of the prism. Okay, these are some of the real life examples of the prism. Radio, hoop, chocolate. This building, these are some of the real life examples of the prism. Is it a prism? What type of prism is this? What is the base of it? Rectangle. So it is a rectangular prism. How much water required to fill this fish tank? This is the question. So they have given the length, breadth and height. Okay. So we have length, breadth and height. It is 2.5 feet, 6 feet and 4 feet. How much water is required to fill this tank? This is the question. So what we have to find out here? We have to find out the volume. Okay. Volume. Volume means what? How much space occupied by an object. Okay. So for finding, how we will find base is what type base? Base is rectangle. What is the area of the rectangle? Length into breadth. So 6 feet into 2.5 feet. So height is 4 feet. So how we will find out the volume? Volume of any prism is the product of base area and height. So here the volume of the amount of water required we have to find, that is length, breadth and height. So it is not centimeter cube. Answer is written on centimeter. It is wrong. Feet cube. Okay. So 6 into 2.5 into 4. That is the answer. That is base area 6 into 2.5 and 6 into 2.5 is the base area and 4 feet is the height. So into 4. So we get volume. Volume is 6 feet cube. So can we go to the next question? Next question is, find the volume of a triangular prism whose area is 60 centimeter square and height is 7 centimeter. So here directly given the question, base area is 60 centimeter square and height is 7 centimeter. You have to find out the volume. So go to the volume of triangular prism equal to the what type of prism is this? Triangular prism. So what is the area of the triangle? Half into base into height. Okay. That is directly given here, 60 centimeter square and height is given. So volume of any prism is the product of base area into height. So volume of triangular prism equal to 60 into 7 centimeter. 60 centimeter square into 7 centimeter. The answer is 420 centimeter cube. So have you got the answer? Next, find the volume of this triangular prism. That is, it having a height 12 centimeter they have given, and the triangular having a triangle height is 3 centimeter, and its base edge is 8 centimeter, and you have to find out the area of the triangle and multiply with height. So answer will be half into base into height 12 centimeter square, 12 centimeter, and height is 12 centimeter. So half into base area into height. Here answer coming 12 centimeter square, and here it is 12 centimeter. So 12 into 12, 144 centimeter cube is the answer. So let us recap what we have studied today. What is a prism? Definition of a prism. A prism is a solid that has two parallel faces which are congruent polygons of both ends. These faces form the basis of the prism. A prism is named after the shape of its base. And types of prism: square prism, rectangular prism, triangular prism, pentagonal prism, hexagonal prism, etc. And volume of any prism is the product of base area and height. Today we have studied up to this. Okay. So you have different shapes here. Here given what is the prism, what is pyramid, what cylinder, what is cone. Okay. Next. So out these homework questions. Take down just homework questions. Thank you.